Every year on January 25th, India comes together to celebrate National Tourism Day, a special occasion dedicated to honoring the country's breathtaking diversity, rich heritage, and natural beauty. This day is not just a date on the calendar. It's a vibrant reminder of the incredible experiences that await travelers within India's borders. From the snow-capped peaks of the Himalayas to the sun-kissed beaches of the south, and from bustling cities to tranquil villages. Unlike World Tourism Day, which is celebrated globally, National Tourism Day is India's own unique moment to reflect on its treasures and extend a heartfelt invitation to the world to discover its magic. It's a day when the spotlight shines on India's incredible destinations, and the nation proudly showcases its cultural wealth, historical marvels, and the warmth of its people. National Tourism Day is more than a celebration. It's a powerful reminder of India's commitment to nurturing tourism as a vital pillar of national identity, economic growth, and global connection. It's about recognizing the role tourism plays in bringing people together, fostering understanding, and building bridges between cultures. Across the nation, vibrant events, cultural programs, and awareness campaigns highlight the importance of preserving our heritage, protecting fragile ecosystems, and sharing India's legendary hospitality. From folk dances and music festivals to ecotourism initiatives and heritage walks, communities come alive to celebrate the stories and traditions that make India unique. On this day, we are encouraged to see our forts, backwaters, and temples, not just as tourist attractions, but as living chapters of our collective story, places where history, spirituality, and daily life intertwine. Each destination offers a window into India's soul, inviting both locals and visitors to connect with the past and create new memories. The focus of National Tourism Day is on responsible and sustainable growth, ensuring that tourism benefits local communities, empowers artisans, and helps preserve the natural and cultural wonders that make India truly special. It's about supporting community-based tourism, encouraging conservation, and fostering a sense of pride and stewardship among all Indians. Ultimately, National Tourism Day is a celebration of the journey, the spirit of discovery, and the incredible tapestry that is India. It's a day to honor the places, people, and stories that inspire us to explore, connect, and cherish the wonders of our homeland. National Tourism Day's roots stretch back to the transformative years following India's independence, a time when the country was forging a new identity and looking for ways to unite its diverse people. In the late 1940s, as India emerged from colonial rule, there was a growing realization that the nation's vast cultural, historical, and natural wealth could serve as a bridge to the world, inviting people from all walks of life to experience its unique tapestry. The government recognized tourism as a powerful tool, not just for economic development, but for sharing India's story, traditions, and values with the global community. By opening its doors to visitors, India aimed to foster understanding, appreciation, and respect for its rich heritage. In 1948, the formation of the Tourist Traffic Committee marked a pivotal moment. This committee laid the groundwork for organized tourism, setting up policies and infrastructure to welcome travelers from around the world. Their vision was to move beyond simple sightseeing, encouraging visitors to truly engage with India's living traditions and vibrant communities. The focus shifted from mere travel to creating meaningful, immersive experiences, where every journey became an opportunity for cultural exchange and personal growth. Tourism was seen as a way to build bridges, foster friendships, and deepen mutual understanding. January 25th was chosen as National Tourism Day to raise awareness among Indians about the immense value of tourism. The day serves as a reminder to cherish and protect our cultural and natural treasures, while also inspiring pride in our shared heritage. It encourages citizens to become ambassadors of their own country, welcoming guests with warmth and hospitality. National Tourism Day brings together government officials, industry leaders, and local communities to discuss how tourism can be made more sustainable, inclusive, and enriching for everyone. These conversations help shape policies that protect the environment, empower local people, and ensure that tourism benefits all sections of society. The day also acts as a launchpad for new initiatives, campaigns, and destinations, showcasing India's evolving tourism landscape to the world. It's a moment to highlight lesser-known gems, innovative travel experiences, and the country's commitment to welcoming travelers with open arms. Tourism is now recognized as a vital driver of economic growth, creating millions of jobs and supporting countless livelihoods. It fuels entrepreneurship, encourages investment in infrastructure, and promotes cultural diplomacy by building connections across borders. Above all, National Tourism Day honors the millions of Indians whose lives are touched by tourism. Artisans, guides, hoteliers, performers, and entire communities. It's a celebration of the power of tourism to preserve traditions, empower people, and create a brighter, more connected future for all. Tourism in India is a powerful economic engine, touching millions of lives. Every hotel stay, taxi ride, and souvenir purchase ripples through the economy, creating jobs in hospitality, agriculture, crafts, and more. For rural communities, tourism offers sustainable livelihoods and helps curb urban migration. It's a major source of foreign exchange, funding infrastructure that benefits all. Culturally, tourism preserves monuments, revives traditional arts, and keeps ancient crafts alive. Visitors and locals alike exchange ideas, breaking stereotypes and building bridges. Tourism becomes a silent diplomat, promoting peace and understanding. It's a celebration of shared humanity, set against India's magnificent backdrop. The 2025 theme, Tourism for Inclusive and Sustainable Growth, charts a new path for Indian travel. It's about spreading tourism's benefits to women, youth, and rural communities, empowering all to participate. Sustainability means protecting fragile ecosystems, promoting eco-friendly practices, and supporting green tourism models. Managing visitor numbers and promoting lesser-known sites ensures heritage is preserved for future generations. The traveler becomes a guardian of culture, leaving a positive impact. This vision calls everyone, policymakers, businesses, communities, and travelers, to build a tourism industry that's ethical, equitable, and environmentally sound. India's tourism boom is no accident. It's the result of visionary government initiatives. The Incredible India campaign redefined the nation's image, inviting the world to explore its wonders. Swadesh Darshan develops theme-based tourism circuits, connecting destinations and improving infrastructure for seamless travel. The Prasad scheme rejuvenates pilgrimage sites, enhancing facilities while preserving spiritual heritage. These programs work together. One inspires, one builds, one preserves. The result is a comprehensive strategy that balances global appeal with local development. Government efforts ensure India's heritage is accessible, responsible, and unforgettable. They are the guiding hand behind every incredible journey. Traveling in India is like stepping into a living museum. The Taj Mahal in Agra stands as an icon of love, but it's just the beginning. Rajasthan's forts and palaces, Mehrangarh, Amber, Udaipur's Lake Palace, bring royal history to life. Hampi's ruins and the Ajanta-Ellora caves showcase ancient artistry and spiritual devotion. These sites aren't just monuments, they're vibrant centers of culture, hosting festivals and workshops. India's heritage is a story of empires, coexistence, and enduring creativity. As Ibn Battuta said, traveling leaves you speechless, then turns you into a storyteller. India's heritage trail fills you with awe and stories to share. India's natural beauty is as captivating as its history. The Himalayas offer adventure and peace, with valleys like the Valley of Flowers blooming in vibrant colors. Kerala's backwaters invite you to drift on houseboats, savoring local life and cuisine. National parks like Ranthambore and Kaziranga are havens for tigers and rhinos, thrilling wildlife lovers. From the Rann of Kutch's white salt desert to Ladak's Pangong Lake, India's landscapes are full of surprises. These places inspire filmmakers and travelers alike, turning cinematic dreams into real-life journeys. Nature and culture exist in harmony, offering sanctuary and inspiration. India's wild beauty is an invitation to reconnect with the world and yourself. India's spiritual heart beats in every corner, from sacred cities to vibrant festivals. Here, spirituality is not just a practice, it's a way of life, woven into the daily rhythms of millions. Whether you find yourself wandering through ancient temple towns or witnessing the devotion of pilgrims at riverbanks, you'll sense a profound connection to something greater than yourself. In Varanasi, the Ganga Aarti transforms the river into a glowing tapestry of devotion. As dusk falls, the air fills with the sound of bells, chants, and the mesmerizing dance of flames reflected on the sacred waters. Locals and travelers alike gather on the ghats, united in reverence, as the river becomes a living symbol of faith and renewal. The Golden Temple in Amritsar welcomes all, serving thousands in its community kitchen, a living lesson in equality. Here, people from every walk of life sit side by side, sharing a simple meal prepared by volunteers. The shimmering temple, surrounded by tranquil waters, radiates peace and inclusivity, reminding visitors that compassion and service are at the core of India's spiritual traditions. Festivals like Holi, Durga Puja, and Onam unite communities in color, music, and joy. During Holi, streets explode in a riot of colors as people celebrate the triumph of good over evil. Durga Puja brings entire cities together to honor the goddess, with elaborate processions and vibrant artistry. In Kerala, Onam's boat races and feasts reflect the spirit of togetherness and gratitude for the harvest. These celebrations are more than rituals, they're windows into India's soul, blending ancient tradition with dynamic energy. Each festival is a living story, passed down through generations, where families gather, prayers are offered, and communities come alive with dance, music, and laughter. Spiritual journeys here are transformative, inviting you to witness faith in its purest form. Whether you join pilgrims on a sacred trek, meditate in the shadow of a centuries-old temple, or simply observe a quiet moment of prayer, you'll discover a sense of belonging and inner peace that transcends words. India's festivals and sacred sites reveal a culture rooted in unity and celebration. The diversity of faiths and traditions here is not a source of division, but a vibrant tapestry that brings people together, fostering understanding and harmony. To step into this world is to begin a journey within, a journey that invites you to open your heart, embrace new experiences, and find inspiration in the timeless spirit of India. We've explored India's history, nature, and spirit, each journey unique and transformative. National Tourism Day is a call to experience this living library of adventure, culture, and connection. Government initiatives have made India more accessible and diverse than ever. Whether you seek thrill, peace, flavor, or wonder, India welcomes you with open arms. Don't just see the pictures, come live the stories. This year, answer India's call. Discover your own incredible India. The adventure of a lifetime begins with a single step.